This may happen with any streetlight. With thousands of dollars of expenses and hundreds of wasted kilowatts per year. Introducing ORION Lighting, our smart lighting solution. Implementation of ORION Lighting will all result in significant reduction of electricity expenses. ORION Lighting's intelligent control system allows for automatic on and off switching depending on daytime as well as a variety of manual settings. Cutting operating expenses. This can be achieved by monitoring of luminaires and power lines. With ORION Lighting, problems are quickly detected and timely fixed. Versatility and framework for other smart city devices. With continuously powered street lighting networks, ORION Lighting creates a framework for mounting and operating other smart city devices during the daytime. Improved safety. Uninterrupted operation of ORION Lighting system dramatically improves road and pedestrian safety. With ORION Lighting, smart city living is not the future. It is now.